Good morning students, welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class, I'll be discussing with you all that workbook page number 35. As already I have discussed page number 33 and also 34 I've given you as a homework. So now I'll be starting page number 35 from question number 17. So my dear children, everyone take out your workbook and be ready, right? So question number 17. What is question number 7? This is a word problem related to addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. So what is the question? Please go through it everyone. Raju was counting books in his school library. Raju is a boy. He is doing what? He was counting books in his school library. He counted 19,656 books on day 1. How many books on day 1 he counted? 19,656 books. The next day he counted 10,000 books. Next day how many books he counted? 10,000 books. So how many books does the school library have? Raju was a boy. What he is doing in his school library? He was counting books. On day 1, how many books he counted? He counted 19,656. Right. And the next day he counted how many books? 10,000 books. So how many books does the school library have? Now this one we have to find out. So let's start. Just everyone look at your solution number 17. So Raju was a boy. What he was doing? He was counting books in his school library. On day 1, how many books he counted? Number of books. So how will you write? In word problems you have to write down the statement. So how will you write? Everyone please see. Number of books. Number of books. Raju counted. Raju counted. Counted on day 1. On day 1 equal to how many? 19,656. 56. Number of books. Number of books. Raju counted. Raju counted on day 2. How many? It equals to 10,000. 10,000 books. Now the question is asking how many books does the school library have? So to find out the number of books in school library, what we have to do? We have to add it up. Both. The number of books Raju counted on day 1 and number of books Raju counted on day 2. So what we have to do? We have to add it up to find out number of books school library have. So total equal to 19,656 plus 10,000. How much it will be? So you add it up. 19,656 plus 10,000. So answer is 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 0, 5, then 6, 9 plus 0, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. So 29,656. So what is the question? How many books does the school library have? So therefore, just give 3 dots. Therefore, school library has 29,656 books. Clear children? So this is how you have to do. Understood? So how many books school library has? School library has 29,656 books. How you have find it out? By adding number of books Raju counted on day 1. This is and the number of books Raju counted on day 2, 10,000. So both we add it up to find out the number of books school library. Clear, children? So now come to question number 18. Question number 18. Suresh had 33,359 flowers in his garden, out of which he gave 11,128 flowers for the stage decoration. How many flowers are left in Suresh's garden? So Suresh is a boy. Suresh had how many flowers in his garden? Suresh had 33,359 flowers in his garden. Right. Out of 33,359, what he did? He gave 11,128 flowers for the stage decoration. Okay. Now the question is asking, how many flowers are left in Suresh's garden? So total number of flowers he had in his garden, 33,359. Out of that, how many flowers he gave for stage decoration? 11,128. Now, how many flowers are left in Suresh's garden? So what we have to find out? Number of flowers left in Suresh's garden. To find out the flowers left in Suresh's garden, what we have to do? Let's see, children, here. So this is solution number 18. Solution number 18. Number of flowers in Suresh's garden. Number of flowers in Suresh's garden. How many? It is equal to 33,359. Number of flowers Suresh, or you can write he. Number of flowers Suresh gave for what? For stage decoration. Number of flowers Suresh gave for stage decoration. How many? It is 11,128 flowers. Now what we have to find out? How many flowers are left in Suresh's garden? So to find out number of flowers in Suresh's garden, what we have to do? Question is asking left. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract number of flowers in Suresh's garden minus number of flowers Suresh gave for stage decoration. When you do minus, then only we will get the number of flowers left in Suresh's garden. Clear? So therefore number of flowers left in Suresh's garden is equal to 33,359 minus 11,128. So you do subtraction here. These are 5-digit number. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Again 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So how many flowers left? 22,231 flowers left. So this is the answer. Clear, children? I hope it is clear to you all. So this is how you have to do the word problems on addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Clear, children? Now the question number 19. The question number 19 is same. It's like what I have discussed with you, 17 and 18. 19 is your homework. Clear? Now we will do question number what? We will do question number 20. Now, question number 20. The odometer, instrument showing the distance travelled by a wheeled vehicle of a two-wheeler, showed 35,689 km in November 2016. Right? In February 2016, it showed 16,354 km. What was the distance covered from February to November? What is given in the question? The odometer. Odometer is what? It is an instrument showing the distance travelled by a wheeled vehicle. It is an what? It is an instrument that shows the distance travelled by a wheeled vehicle. Now, in this question, it is showing a distance of two-wheeler. Okay, the odometer is showing the distance of two-wheeler in the month of November 2016 and also in the month of February 2016. So, in November 2016, it showed 35,689. Okay, solution number 20. Solution 20. In November 2016, it showed how much? 35,689 km. And in February 2016, it showed how much? It showed how much? 16,354 km. Now the question is asking, these are the distance covered by two-wheeler, right? In the month of November 2016 and the February 2016. Now the question is asking, what was the distance covered from February to November? Now what we have to do? To find out the distance covered from February to November, what we have to do, children? We need to do subtraction here. Right? How we will do subtraction? We need to subtract 16,354 km from 35,689 km. Then we will get the total distance covered from February to November. Right? That odometer showed the distance of a two-wheeler in November 2016 this much and in February 2016 this much. Now we have to find out, the question is asking what was the distance covered from February to November. From February 2016 to November 2016. To find out the distance covered from February to November 2016, we need to subtract. We need to subtract 16,354 km from 35,689 km. Understood? Then we will get the total distance was covered from February to November. Right? Now first you write down the statement. Write down the statement. The reading on the odometer in the month of November 2016 equal to how much? 35,689 km. The reading on the odometer in February 2016, it comes how much? 16,354 km. Now what you have to find out, the question is asking what was the distance covered from February to November. Therefore the distance covered from February to November to November 2016 is equal to 35,689 minus 16,354 kilometer. Do the subtraction. How much you will get? 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. Now, can we subtract 6 from 5? So, we need to borrow. 15, we need to borrow it from which place? 10,000's place. Right, we have to regroup from 10,000's place. So, you just borrow from 10,000's place 15. 15 minus 6, 9. So, it remains how much? 2. So, 2 minus 1, 1. So, the answer is 19,335 kilometer. Okay. What was the distance covered from February to November? The distance covered from February to November is 19,335 kilometer. Clear, children? So, children, I'll give you the click of this classwork, today's classwork. Kindly you note it down in your maths classwork copy. Clear, children? So, next class, I'll be discussing the HOTS questions and also the practice questions. Clear, children? So, till then, thank you.